I must help her at any cost. I must help her at any cost. He must be an Indian. He must be an Indian. You must go at once. You must go at once. May I eat? May I eat? May I begin? May I begin? May I smoke? May I smoke? May I eat this? May I eat this? It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. May I ask why? May I ask why? They may go. They may go. It may snow. It may snow. You may sit. You may sit. That may work. That may work. May God help you. May God help you. You may be happy. You may be happy. May you live long. May you live long. I might go to office. I might go to office. She might come. She might come. It might rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. You might use my phone. You might use my phone. You might use my pen. You might use my pen. You should work hard. You should work hard. You should live now. You should live now. How should I know? How should I know? Should I make a phone call, please? Should I make a phone call, please? Should I wait? Should I wait? I can play. I can play. The birds can fly. The birds can fly. I can swim. I can swim. We can't live without water. We can't live without water. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you come? Can you come? Can I come? এটা একটা অনুমতি. Can I eat? Can I eat? He could do the work. He could do the work. I could speak English. I could speak English. Could you tell me the way? Could you tell me the way? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Could I use your pencil? Could I use your pencil? Could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? We should obey the law. We should obey the law. I think you ought to listen. I think you ought to listen. You ought to thank him. You ought to thank him. He would smoke. He would smoke. I would swim. I would swim. He would read 8 hours per day. He would read 8 hours per day. Would you please lend me some money? Would you please lend me some money? Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like to buy this? Would you like to buy this? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.